Today, I'm going to cook a juicy garlic shrimp dish that only requires 5 minutes to make. The secret to make shrimp juicy and tender is brining. To brine, soak the shrimp in salt water for 20 minutes or more. The salt helps osmosis, a chemical process that adds moisture to the shrimp. It moves water from an area of higher concentration to lower concentration, or into the shrimp. It also expands the strands of protein that made up the shrimp to create more room for the water. It works for everything from seafood, meat, or even tofu, basically anything made of protein.